I am always so happy whenever I see a monarch butterfly. And there's the first one I've seen this year. I wish it would open its wings. I must show you these flowers. Are these not beautiful? Look how beautiful those are. I think they're my favorite lily. That bright yellow with that crimson red. And there's some volunteer cosmos. Came up on their own from leftover seed from last year. I didn't know they would do that. Here are some other really pretty red, just plain red lilies. These were from Paul's Mother's Day box that he gave me like 3 years ago. I put some on that side and some on this side. And he can't even see the color red. But he knew I wanted red lilies, so he read the tag. Wow, look at that giant bumblebee. Yeah, they don't call this bee balm for nothing. Look at that. Look how big that bumblebee is. That's why you do not want to deadhead these without checking. You don't want to get stung. And these cone flowers are hot papaya, and they look beautiful this year. After the rain stopped and the sun came out, everything just started growing and blooming. And these are salsa reds. They're starting to come out. My daylilies are putting on little flower pods, but they're not blooming yet. These are voluntary sunflowers. Bird feeders. And then after the rake goes through, there's a baler. Hot day today.
Hey, Grandpa. It's Uncle John and Grandpa.
Grandpa Steve, Grandpa Steve and Uncle John Kendrick. They're probably here to bale hay. Hey, Jeffrey, don't do that to her if she doesn't want it done, honey.
Yeah, we're going everywhere.
Are you going to go see Grandpa?
You gonna splash in the water?
I gotta go.
Go get him wet.
Have fun. Say have fun.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Jeffrey.
Say
You gonna get me wet? Oh, I'll melt. Oh, I'm glad you took me this far.
Jeffrey, come over here. You can get my feet wet. You can go below my knees. From my knees down. Ooh. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, that's cold. He's going to be a good car washer one of these days, Mom.